Hey boys, are you ready for the ride? So, today I'll be just talking about what's my plan for next 2 months. So, I'm planning to contribute to open source projects, and this place looks something good for me to start with. So, cloud native computing foundation, it's like a organization where they manage lots of projects. It's a place you can start your contribution. So this is the thing. You can see lots of things are up here. So this does have lots of projects. There is open telemetry, there is Kubernetes, and many of the projects you might have heard of. Many of them: Containerd, Kubernetes, Jagger, Cilium, whatever. Many projects are there. Database, observability, open telemetry. Like there are lots of it. So what's my plan is to contribute here, and if you are also like willing to contribute, you can go to this website /contributors. For now, it looks like this. For them, I don't know what it might look like. There is this start contributing to open source guide. You can just open it and check it if you are very new to the contribution, open source contribution. I have done couple of it, one in Ladybird and one in windmill.dev. So I know a little bit of it, but not very much. So there are things I need to learn. They also have mentorship programs. G-Shock is one. Yeah, it's hard to get into G-Shock. LFX mentorship, which I open up here, and I just saw one mentorship here. I'll go. I just let me just open it up again. Yeah. So clothes. Yeah, faster man. Yeah. So there are these mentorship programs going on. Most of them are closed for now. There are two which are accepting applications. I'm not sure about active terms and stuff, but I'll just figure it out. There is this outreachy, which is also like mentorship stuff. You can there for now. For me, I just saw that they have this December application. I'll apply for it. Maybe I will just check what best I can do and I will apply. Then there is this tool. There is this landscape to see all of the projects. You can just check it. There are lots of things. Lots of projects are up here, many of them. Well, let's not go to that for now. There's this collatributor, CLO tributor. Okay, so here there are lots of, like, if you are very new, you can just select easy language and stuff, and it will suggest you issues which you can fix. So this is how you can do it. For newbie or even for experienced people, like, you can find your issues to fix it here. It's good. So that's all. Like, it's like a walkthrough, and I'm planning this because now the thing is, I'm in final year of my college, and I did contract work before, but right now I'm not getting anything good. And back then, I was, it was like not a very permanent job, and not the best paid one. So, and in my college, like in India, in third tier colleges, there is not that much expectation for the placements, like companies to come, but they pay very low, and there is lots of competition up there. So I don't know what best I am getting up here. So this is something I think for next 2 months, maybe it will just improve my skills, get me some contacts, make a community, get me familiar with other community people. So that's all my idea. Well, thank you, man. Thank you for listening.